Doing sound effects in Corona SDK is very easy. And the first thing we're going to do is load up a sound. And so we're going to create a local variable called sound kill. And it's going to equal audio.loadSound. And then we just need the name of the sound file. And in this case, I'm going to use boing1.wave. And we need two more sounds, and I'm just going to paste those in here. Sound blast and sound lose. You can see that we've got one wave file and two MP3 files. And so you can mix and match these. Now we have a sound record, basically, called sound kill, sound blast, and sound lose that we'll be able to use in the game. So we've got these audio files loaded and sitting there waiting for us. How do we play them? Well, let's go down here to where we smash the ship, and let's play one of these audio files. Let's play the sound kill. And it couldn't be simpler. We do audio, play, and then the name of that variable holding the sound record. Audio, play, sound kill. Let's just go ahead and try that. Cool. And just for the fun of it, let's try one of the others. Sound blast. Ha ha ha, that's pretty awesome. Hey, I wish this video was longer, but that's all there is to it. Now that you can get into other things with, there's something called audio load stream if you're loading a long piece of sound like background music, something like that. But for special effects, for the sound effects, like blowing things up and stuff, that's all there is to it, man.